Hello and welcome again to another edition of our Big Bike Parts media channel. We're here today with UltraGard to discuss another brand new product fitting the 2018 and newer Honda Goldwing Touring models. The bike under this cover does have an oversized windshield, so you can see that the cover does fit with the oversized windshield with the soft tech liner on the inside. You also notice that it has a high visibility logo that is reflective, as well as reflective piping along the bottom side of the cover. Around the bottom leading edge, you will notice that the cover has an elastic hem, keeping it tight. On the rear of this cover, you will see that there is an antenna access slot, as well as a tag that denotes the front of the bike from the rear of the bike. On the very bottom rear edge, there is also heat shields, so you can put the cover on while the bike is still hot. If you have any further questions with regards to this tailor fit, weather resistant, and breathable cover, please feel free to look us up online at www.bigbikeparts.com. While you're there, please check out the dealer locator section. You can also give us a phone call at 888-BIG-BIKE, and be sure to like us on Facebook to stay up on all the new items. Again, thank you for watching and safe riding.